Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and I'm here to talk about my calendar app, MyCal. MyCal is built with Ruby on Rails and Bootstrap with AJAX functionality using jQuery. It offers a stylish way to save, view, and organize events, as well as share them with friends. To begin, let's log in. I gave the user the ability to either log in through a custom account or through Facebook authentication. Here's the home page where the first thing you see is the new events form. On the side, you can see boxes for your upcoming events as well as for friends. Let's start by adding an event. Once we add it, it takes us to the show page. You can see that the left side has updated, and it shows you your next event is the German test, while it organizes your upcoming events in order of how soon they are. And then you can see here's all the information that you need that you just inputted. German test, time, date, category, additional information, as well as who created it. If you wanted to share an event with a friend, that's also possible. Let's do that by looking at the friends page. So since we don't have any friends, we can add friends. So here you can see we don't have any friends yet, so it gives us the option to add friends, or these are people who've already added you, and so you can add them back. So I'm going to add this person back, and shows you added it. You can also delete friends, add another person. All right, and so now I have two friends. So let's add another event. So you can see that we've added this event, and here you can see this person has been added to this event. So this event will actually show up in their timeline of events. They can personally on their side unshare themselves, or we as event owners can unshare them as well. Additionally, as event owners, we have the capacity to edit and delete certain events. As well as delete friends, of course. So let's look at the events on our calendar. So we don't have any events today, but this is our daily calendar. We can scroll forward. I think we have an event on 20th, actually. And so here you can see the time for 20, or on the for the time, the German test shows up. So from 3 to 4, it is blocked out. Here we can see the week calendar. So you can mouse over things, and if you click it, it should bring you to the event show page, which it just did. But additionally, if you wanted to click another box, it brings you to a new page. So you can create a new page with in that box, or a new event within that box. Here you can see also all the tests that we have for the upcoming month. So we have the German test, history test, Spanish test, and the same thing applies. If you update it, or if you click any of the boxes, it should either show you the event or a new event form. And so finally, let's look at some of the categories. And so we only have one category, and that's for school, and we can see all of the events for this. This uses some very slight AJAX functionalities for seamless seamless updating of the page, so we didn't have to refresh the page for that. But let's click Spanish test. So here we do see the Spanish test. But another portion of categories is like we can see categories organized by events. And so this is our next current event or next upcoming event. And here are all of our upcoming events. And since we haven't had any events pass over us yet, then there are no previous events. The same thing can be done for all events. We can see all of our events, our next event, upcoming event, as well as previous events. Altogether, I hope this gave you a good idea of what my app is about. Users can use this app to organize their events and share them with other users while enjoying its stylish interface. And like my other apps, I definitely think there are areas where I can improve on. In my other version, I've integrated a lot more AJAX functionality using jQuery, but it came at a certain expense uh, of being able to share and unshare events with certain users. So I decided not to include that in this version. Again, my name is Lisa, and thank you so much for listening.